Hello, Drake Casco, and I have never done an unboxing, but I'm about to do one, so I don't know how to do this really. I think you just take a box and you take the things out of the box. So let's try it. So I have Tyrion on the throne drinking wine, which is appropriate because I am the wine stalker and I drink and I know things. Except for knowing how to open a box, apparently. But I do drink. Cheers. All right. So let's take Tyrion out of the box. Oh, jeez. This is much bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Pretty neat. So it's like, you know, Tyrion with a beard after he's left Westeros. Join the Khaleesi and become her enemy. Oh, he just fell out. Watch it, man. Come on. Dude. So, wow. All right. So he's even separate. He even comes off. Look at that. I did not expect that. How are you supposed to sit there? This is actually kind of disappointing because, like, he looks uncomfortable. You know, I thought it would be one piece, right? You'd think it'd be one piece where he's, like, you know, sitting on the throne and you could move him and stuff. And when you take a look, it looks actually kind of uncomfortable, doesn't he? But you know what? He's got the wine. He's chilling. He knows stuff. And, I don't know, man. You might want to glue him on there, especially if you want to hold him in place. Because that's kind of weird, right? I mean, I can't be the only one who thinks that. Dude. Okay, yeah, so I mean, dude's got some wine. I got some wine. It's all good. Tyrion. Cheers, guys.